In this tutorial, we're going to look at the Quick Selection tool in Photoshop. Now, where I find the Quick Selection tool on my toolbar is just the fourth icon down on my toolbar, and it shares a space with the Magic Wand tool. So the Quick Selection tool, it looks like a little brush inside a little dashed circle. One thing I've noticed with the Quick Selection tool is it's the one selection tool that has slightly different selection modes than the other selection tools. So I've got New Selection, and I have Add to Selection, and I have Subtract from Selection. So for the moment I'm going to put on New Selection, and let's see how to use it. Now, Quick Selection tool, it should be very quick because that's the name that's been given to it, and it is in the right circumstances. Usually if I've got a very obvious object in the middle of my screen, if I just take my Quick Selection tool and I drag through the object quite quickly, it soaks up right over to the edges of all the object, and as long as I kind of keep within the borders, give or take, it will select the object quite quickly. Remember as well that we can change the brush size of the quick selection object by either using the square keys on my keyboard or by changing the brush size over here on this brush size menu. Generally though, I try and err on the small size because you'll get kind of more accurate results, especially for smaller type of objects like I'm dealing with here. And that is now just at the end there. I just have to go undo because it slipped outside the object, but in general that is the quick selection object, and a little eye there. So a very quick and easy selection tool to use, and is very useful for, like I said, very obvious objects.